Greetings, I am your host, Mr. Bones, and today I will be demonstrating to you the I was sitting at my desk doing some very important work, but every time I went to write something, I was booed by dust ghouls. I couldn't get any work done. So I put on my Norwex dusting mitts, and then I charged them up so that no dust ghouls could escape the soft microfiber, and I went to work. It was so easy to completely remove the dust ghouls from my surface. The air is now free from haunts, and now I can return to work. Wow! That was so simple, I could do it even without muscles. To see more fun demos, visit @Gents Creative Cleaners on YouTube and Facebook. Until we meet again. Ha 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 ha.